Hi guys, we are back and with another video, and this week we are trying something different.
We are baking.
Yay!
So we've been buying, we are baking cheese scones as you see on our title. We've been buying cheese scones at Woolworths, and then we just decided why not try a recipe for these cheese scones. And then we googled on the internet and we found a recipe.
And guess what? It's pretty much easy. So we decided we ain't gonna waste money anymore.
Yep.
We're gonna do this ourselves. So come with us as we show you this recipe, and hope you enjoy it and try it yourselves. And if you do, please don't forget to tag us on Instagram at River Twins and show us what you did. You hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, and again guys, thank you for all our subscribers. If you are a new savvy, welcome to the family. Enjoy these videos and then like, comment, hit that notification button, subscribe.
Yeah, support your girls, hey?
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, let's stop talking too much. Let's get to the video.
Yeah.
So these are the ingredients: a non-stick spray, butter, cheese, baking powder, milk, salt, and self-raising wheat flour. Firstly, you put 2 cups of flour. If you want to make more cheese scones, then you can just double the measurement or whatever you choose to. Add a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Be gentle with the salt, and then we adding as we wait. I don't know for what, but then yep. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then just stir everything together nicely. I think baking is fun. It just takes your mind off things. I think this is what has been keeping us busy during the lockdown. So you mix and mix and mix, and then you pour butter. If you are going to use 1 cup of flour, then you pour 55 grams, and then for 2 cups of flour it's about 100 grams. You will just feel the consistency of the flour and the butter when you mix it, and it's better to mix it with your hands. So you just mix it so that you make sure that everything comes in together: the flour, the salt, the baking powder, and the butter. Work it. Mix until you feel like, yeah, now you got it right. This is a very easy recipe, and it just takes few minutes to prepare it, and it takes few minutes to also bake. So it's really easy. You can literally do this within 30 minutes and you are all done, and you'll be eating by that time. And the taste, ooh, is too nice. It's too nice. So yeah. Wow. And we are mixing. Yep. Okay, that's done. You add your grated cheese. This is just in your own discretion. There's no really measurement. It depends how much you like cheese. Just add the amount you feel like you'll be all right there. and then mix it together with your mix, the flour. Mix until everything comes together, and then you just create a hole in the mix to pour your milk. Also, the milk is at your own discretion, but I think for this mix we poured 1.5 cup of milk. There you go, the cup is done. The good thing about baking is that you can check the consistency as you mix your recipe. So you just really need to check, mix it and fill it, and just see how well is it mixed, and then just take it from there if you really want more milk or not. That's the good thing about baking, you know. So yeah, you mix everything together. You can see now the mix, it's starting, it's a bit wet. So that's how the mixture of the cheese scones basically look. Mix everything together. Can't wait to have this. I'm sure they will be delicious. Guys, this is delicious. If you're a lover of scones, cheese, you know, you should try this. It's a really nice recipe, simple and quick to make. Alright, I think we're done with our mix. Now we're getting our pan ready. We're gonna spray the non-stick spray over the pan inside those cupcakes. This is just to make sure that your cheese scones won't stick on the pan when they bake in the oven, you know, that when you take them out they just come out nice and easy. And then there you go, you'll start filling in. Don't worry about the shape or how the mix should really look, but then as long as you can fill it in inside those cups, then it's okay. Because as you can see, the mix is a bit messy when you look at it, but the taste is delicious. So yeah, go on and fill in. For 2 cups of flour, we were able to get 12 of these cheese scones. So if you want 6, then it means you'll have to do 1 cup of flour, which means half of the measurement of every ingredient. Fill it in. Okay, we're going to do our last one. And then the remainder of the mix, you can just take it and fill it in wherever you feel like there is some shortage in some way. Trying to have everything as equal as possible, I see. But it doesn't really matter. And then top your mix on the pan with cheese, just for that extra cheese. It will be nice, it will be delicious. Another optional is to pour cayenne pepper, but we have never really done that. But if you like cayenne pepper and you want it to be a bit spicy, I'm sure you can do that. But I don't know, it's not our thing for cup cheese scones to be spicy. Nope. So there it is. Our mix goes into the oven. The oven has been preheated at 180 degrees, at 200 degrees I think, guys, I'm lying, sorry. And then there they are. After 12 to 15 minutes of baking, there you have it. There you go. Nice, superb. You can see that cheese on top there is delicious. So guys, thank you for watching. Please try this